Good morning. Apart from the heinous crime of rape on uh, children while committing robbery, dacoity, rape, the many number of rape cases are due to lust, love, and because of young age, the atmosphere incitement sustained by girls resulting the young girls being enticed by boys under the score of love affairs. So multi number of 376 cases are being reported when there was failure on the part of the boy to marry her after cohabiting with her on promise to marry, or else due to caste, creed, religion, so many other reasons, the parents of the girls do not want the girl be marrying the unknown boy, and they took advantage of this 376, the age limit. There may be 376 below age of 16 years, the consent is immaterial, and if it is 16 to 18 years, they may take advantage of 363 guardianship, and thereafter taking the girl to affray, go to asylum or home, even for a few days stay, then they subsequently she returned back to parents. And on their wishes, they used to speak against the boy as if she was forcibly raped. So this would be the major thing to be decided. In one particular case, particularly what happens, remote village, downtrodden area like Washamandpet, Korkpet, Rayapuram, the girl studied in the schools, but they do not have birth certificate. Then they simply give some certificate, and then ossification test. Ossification, what ossification test? The growth of bone, teeth, femur bone, sternum. By analyzing all these things, the ossification test by X-ray, the age is being fixed in between 18 to 21, 16 to 18, 21 to 25, this way. Then another important aspect was about the symptom for sexual intercourse. If there was a periodical sex for more than 15 days, the hymen may be absent, may not be any external injuries, and presence of semen and cloth, everything may not be available. But the greased investigating officer sometimes shows their enthusiastic approach and fabricate certain the stained clothes unnecessarily. And the honest police officer, he files charge sheet, even if there was laches. There may not be any excess investigation, there may not be any tainted investigation, there may be laches on the part of investigation because some suggestions were given by the defense counsel, but still those investigation officers get conviction, at least at the lower court level. But at high court level and Supreme Court level, they consider so many factors to acquit the accused. Say another sensational case, wherein 376 case was acquitted due to consideration of age and the circumstances for promising to marry. Very important case, keep it on your file. Mageshwar Tigga versus State of Jharkhand, AR 2020, Supreme Court 45-35. The 376, 323, 341, 90 of the IPC. Then Evidence Act 3. They say Accused allegedly outraged modesty of prosecutrix at point of knife while she was on way to school and on pretext of marrying her, continued to establish physical relations with her as husband and wife. No name of school is disclosed either by prosecution or by her parents. No explanation given for not furnishing proof of age of the prosecutrix. Possibility of her age, 18 years on date of incident not ruled out. Nature and manner of allegation, coupled with letters exchanged between accused and prosecutor, made it apparent that their love for each other grew and matured over sufficient period of time. So, prosecutors even gone and resided in the house of accused. No false promise or intentional misrepresentation of marriage by accused leading to establishment of physical relationship between parties. Consent of prosecutors was but conscious and deliberate choice. Conviction set aside. See, this is the ratio. So, these things are there. Then they have discussed about multi-number of judgment. That is paragraph 5, 2019, 2003, 2008, 2013, latest judgment also they have discussed about the age. See, the actually the one more aspect in this case was also that the lower court has not drafted 330 incriminating evidence questions. The allegation of the Supreme Court that the 313 was prepared in a casual manner, like casual way. Therefore, when you are convicting the appellant on the circumstances based upon the available evidence, that is incriminating against the accused, that would have been specifically stated to him and get answer for that. That was at the paragraph A. They have stated that they have also discussed about Naval Kishore Singh vs. State of Bihar 2004 CRPC, how to 313 should be drafted. Then section 90 IPC. Section 90 IPC, general exceptions, period to general exceptions, they say consent given under misconception of fact is no consent in the eyes of law. So, misconception of fact. So, if you want to bring the home of offence under section 376 or 420 or 419, so this 90 should be 90 IPC should be satisfied. Fortunately enough, what had happened? The lower court acquitted the accused under section 415 as well as 420, 504 IPCs, 323 also. But unfortunately, there was no appeal against that judgment. The Supreme Court ignored that also and acquitted. Then they say the Supreme Court has said no hesitation concluding that the consent of prosecutor was but a conscious and deliberate choice, as distinct from an involuntary action or denial which opponent was available to her because of her deep-seated love for appellant, leading to her willingly permit him to liberate ease with her body. So this is what had happened, and finally conviction was set aside. So what all are the aspects you have to concentrate? Number one, if the age certificate was produced, and you have to elicit that that certificate was not from reasonable record or somebody else had spoken about the genuineness of the record. But you give all this suggestion at the time of cross-examination of the IO and don't put to the prosecution witnesses other than the IO. That may give trouble to you. You fare better, you put a suggestion that the certificate is not legally admissible, it was not brought from the original records. Like that only you have to put. These all are the very careful 376 defense. Then also the time of cross-examine the relatives of the prosecutors, you must try all these things. And sometimes 376 are being compounded before the Supreme Court when there are compromise between the parties. So this would be the best case to keep on your file always. Best wishes.